guys! Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And today is Thursday. It's June 3. And probably I'll upload this video same day today. But first, hello, it's Bea. Alright, so what are we gonna do today? So yesterday, I uploaded this picture, as you can see, and this one's very trendy nowadays. Yan yung using the sunset lamp. And maraming nakyutan or nagandahan sa effect ng sunset lamp. But ang catch there is that hindi ako bumili ng sunset lamp. So DIY lang siya, guys, because as I search sa Shopee, sa Lazada, it cost mga around 299 up to 700 pesos. Ganyan. I'll paste the screenshot here, yung mga nakita ko. And also, hindi na siya aabot if ever. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-DIY lang ako. Now, we're going to do a tutorial how I did a DIY sunset lamp pictorial or photo shoot, or kung paano ko siya nilagyan ng effects. So, without further ado, let's start. Alright, so first guys, disclaimer lang, I also saw this tutorial lang sa TikTok, and I think may mga ilan-ilan na rin nakakaalam nito, or actually marami na rin yata. So, just in case you don't know it yet, I'm here, I'm willing to share it to you guys. So, let's start screen sharing. Okay, 3, 2, 1... There. Ayan, naka-screen record na tayo. So, I'll just click this photo na unedited pa, yung raw. So, before natin lagyan ng DIY sunset lamp, inedit ko muna siya through the iPhone camera tool. So, first, let's go with the exposure. Binawasan ko lang siya ng mga 19. There. And then, after that, let's go with the brilliance. Pwede nyo siyang itodo or gawing 80 lang. Tansyahin nyo na lang din kung ano yung feel nyo. And then, sa highlights, mag-add lang kayo ng konti. Okay na yung 15. And then, after that, go directly na sa vibrance. Magbawas lang tayo ng konti rin. Mga 19. And then, done. After that, ayan yung magiging itsura ng photo natin. And then, let's go na with our app, which is the PixArt. So, ayan guys. It's loading pa. By the way guys, just make sure na yung app nyo, yung PixArt, is walang connection, internet connection, because lumalabas yung mga ads kapag merong internet connection. So, para lang it's smooth flowing. Alright, so let's click na the picture from what we did kanina. Medyo madami na siya guys. So, ayan na siya guys. And then, let's go with the sunset lamp na I actually added sa favorite. So, this one. Click it. And then, guys, itong sunset lamp na to, nakita ko siya through Pinterest. Just search sunset lamp. Yun yung base word, and then lalabas na siya. So, first, i-crop lang natin siya. There. And then, rotate natin ng pagganyan. Ganyan yung ginawa ko, pero it depends also sa inyo guys kung anong gusto nyong style. Pwede nyo naman siyang i-resize. So, bahala kayo. And then, after that, let's go with the blend option. Click multiply. Ayan, nakita nyo na yung effect. But then, medyo super, siya, parang super dark. So, let's go with the opacity. Bawasan lang natin siya. Ako, ang ginawa ko, around 60 lang. Ay, around 70. Yeah, around 70 lang. And then, ayusin nyo na lang ulit yung pag-crop para sakto siya sa picture. Yan. Naayos ko na siya. And apply. There you go. So, ayun na guys, ang DIY sunset lamp natin. And then, ika-crop nyo lang siya, or kung saan nyo man siya ipopost, Facebook or Instagram, may automatic crop naman doon. And, ito yung magiging result kapag pinost nyo sa IG. So, yan yung ginawa ko sa akin. So, yan guys. There it is. That's a very quick and simple, easy way how to do your DIY sunset lamp. And I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo if you want to hop on this trend also. And without even spending money, because see, it's free. So, nakakuha na kayo ng ganung effect. So, there guys, and thank you for watching.